Hello! Green River has a subscription for Annotate Pro, and it is an enhanced subscription. So you get all kinds of good stuff. And I'm going to show you how you can install Annotate Pro on your computer. And what I want you to do first is go to the Chrome web store. It is chrome.google.com and just web store. And search the store for, and my computer's being very slow, Annotate Pro. And you're looking for this first one right here, 11trees.com. And you can do this for a Chrome browser if you're using Google Chrome. You can also do it for Microsoft Edge. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you can add any Google Chrome extension to Microsoft Edge. And you click on it, like I just did, and it'll take you to the extension. And it'll just say Add to Chrome. It'll say that even if you're doing it in Microsoft Edge. I'm in Microsoft Edge right now. And you just want to click Add to Chrome. And you click on it, just like this, and it'll say add Annotate Pro to Microsoft Edge, and just making sure you actually want to do this thing. And I do. I want to add that extension. And so it'll say that you're scanning, it'll do some other downloads, and that's it. It'll just, once it's done, it'll give you this little remove from Chrome little flag, and that's how you know that it's done. And that's it. And it'll give you this little green A up here, and that's the Annotate extension. That's how you know that it's live. And that's it. It's installed. The magic is done. And I'll be doing a lot more tutorials for you to show you the magic that is Annotate Pro. If you have any questions, please contact us at elearning@greenriver.edu. Before you go though, make sure that you refresh all of any open web pages. So you see how I have all of these open web pages? After you install this, make sure that you go to any of these open web pages and you refresh right here, because you've installed this new extension, and you want to go to any open web page and you just want to hit that refresh button so that this Annotate Pro is live. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So it can really kind of hang you up. So make sure that you go to any open web pages you have, especially if you're in Canvas or something like that. But go and just click this little refresh button, and it will make sure that everything is working really well for you. That's it. Thank you so much.